I'm a real estate agent, and I noticed that you had a for sale by owner sign at the end of your driveway. And I would love to come in and chat with you and give you some tips, at least 5, on how you can sell your house in 90 days.
That real estate agent really has her nerve coming by here trying to get me to sell my house through her. I mean, I put ads in the newspaper. I've had people come by here and look at the house.
You had the house for sale for 6 months and only 2 people have came and looked at it.
And didn't you say that it cost hundreds of dollars to put ads in the newspaper?
Come back! Might not have...
Well, thank you for the coffee, and thanks for letting me come in. One of the first things I want to do for you is a comparative market analysis, and what that is on our website. I will pinpoint this home, and I will do a radius, a mile or however large a radius I have to do to find houses that have sold in the last 6 months and houses that are for sale. And I will let you know exactly what they sold for, when they sold, how many days they were on the market. And so you will have a really good working knowledge of what your house is worth in today's market.
That sounds really good, but what are the 5 tips?
Well, the first tip